Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Aren't these absolutely drop dead gorgeous? Yes, they are, and they are my Cyber Monday deal of the day. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Thank you guys so much, so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. I talked about it earlier in another video about my Cyber Monday deal of the day. Well, y'all, this is my Cyber Monday deal of the day. As most of you know, I've been running a Black Friday sale on my channel, 50% off. So today, Cyber Monday, I am running a super Cyber Monday deal of the day. I am offering this tutorial. It's a private tutorial that will never, ever be on my channel. I will not make any variation of this on my channel. But for 4 hours only, this is going to be marked down 65%. Head out to my website and see what 65% actually looks like, because I think you'll be amazed. I have never, ever offered a private tutorial at this price. 65% off for 4 hours. Then after the 4 hours, it goes to 50% off. So if you want it, grab it in the first 4 hours and take advantage of 65% off. But even if you can't take advantage of the 65% off, but guess what? 50% off is still going to be a great deal on this 9 cubby apothecary box. It is gorgeous, y'all, and it is super fun to make. So if you're interested, the link is in my description box below. Lowest price ever. Trust me, you're going to be amazed. I'll be back later this afternoon with an awesome Make a Card Monday video. As always, you guys, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.